Hey guys, let's take a look at these batteries for the PS4 controller. So I got them on Amazon. Basically, it's a replacement. And you see that they work with different controllers, right? Let me just show here in this camera that I have different models. You see, you can just pause the video and take a look here. That it works with different models. And also comes with different connectors here, depending on your PS4 controller, you can use a different connector, right? And also comes here with the tool, so you can open your PS4 controller. This one also to help to open it, right? So super simple to open it. I got my daughter's controller here. Let me just disconnect here because it's not charging anymore. Not working, it's not holding the charge, right? And then you can just come here and open. The screwdriver works pretty fine. It's the correct size to remove the screws. And now I can use this tool to open the controller. Just insert here like this. There we go. And just open it up. There we go. And now you can just remove the cable that's here for the battery, right? See, there's one just right here. And I can just remove it. Then I remove the battery from here. And let me just compare here the size. It looks like that's the small one. So when I come here with my battery, I put it here as well. And I'm going to connect with the small one. Just insert it here. Like so. I think it's that way. And just push it. There we go, right? Then now using this cable, so I'll just leave it here. And close the controller again. Just put that way here. Align here so you get it correctly. There we go. Snap it in place. You're gonna hear a sound. And just put the screws back. Okay, now I have my controller working with my PS4. You see here the blue light and it's working. And you see here the battery is completely charged. So it's working. With the battery, I have two of them. Now I'm gonna replace the other one from the second controller. Works pretty fine. I highly recommend it. You can get yours on Amazon.